Hello guys, so once again welcome to my YouTube channel Helping Hand Tapos. Today we'll discuss about the PG EG Paper 3 British Drama full answer from 1 to 60. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. What is the name of the son of Corvasio? Bonario. Who rescued Celia from Volpone? Bonario. Where is Volpone living? Venice, Italy. What does Volpone's name mean in Italian? The fox, who is called in the play's list of characters Volpone's parasites. Mosca, who survives in the play Hamlet. Horatio, where does the gravedigger scenes appear? Hamlet. You would pluck out the heart of my mystery. Who said this to whom? Hamilton said this to Guildenstern. I give my life to the law of God above the law of man. What is the real source of this quotation? T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral. In which year the play Murder in the Cathedral was first performed? 1935. Who was the king of England in Becket's time are referred to Murder in the Cathedrals? Henry II. What is the central theme of the play Murder in the Cathedrals? Martyrdoms and sacrifice. Who are the chorus in the play Murder in the Cathedral? Ordinary woman of Canterbury. Who has called Sheridan's the Beau Marquis of the English stage? Edmund Gosse. Who is a lady of a very singular taste in the play The Rivals? Lydia Language. Who calls Mrs. Malaprop as the very queen of the dictionary? Sheridan. What is Bath known for in the rival Bath, a city for the setting of the play? What is the meaning of the word Malaprop's wrong use of words or inappropriate? Who is Godot in the play Waiting for Godot is unknown, or maybe the god. Nothing happens. Nobody comes, nobody goes. It's awful. Who says this? Samuel Beckett. What has happened to Pozzo when he and Lucky return to the second act of the play? He become blind. What is the subject of the play Waiting for Godot's futility of human existence or purposelessness of life? What is Valdemar's nickname? Didi. What type of play the Look Back in Anger? It's a revolutionary play. How old is Jimmy Potter in the play? 25 years old. Which has used by Jimmy as to assert a masculinity of assurance, mockings of a 5. Who is the king of Naples in the play The Tempest? Alonso. Who is a freckles as described in Prospero? Sycorax. Who is the villain of the tragedy Hamlet? Claudius. What is setting place of the play Hamlet? Denmark. When did the play within the play scenes take place in the play Hamlet's Act 2 Scene 2? Who is Corvasio's son? Bonario. Who attempted to rape Celia Newsom? What is Voltaire's by profession? A lawyer. Who sent Rosencrantz and Guildenstern to act as species on Hamlet? Claudius. Who did Claudius murder King Hamlet? How did Claudius murder King Hamlet? By pouring poisons into his ear while he slept. How does Letters dies wounded by the poison blades? Who poses a military threat to King Claudius at the play's beginnings? 14 bars. Who added Antonio to dispossess Prospero of his dukedom? Alonso. Whom did Caliban wish to kill? Prospero. What does Prospero stage in order to celebrate the betrothals of Miranda and Ferdinand? A mosque. Who attempted to ravish Miranda? Caliban. Who is referred to as a lady of a very singular taste? Lida. Who calls Mrs. Malaprop the very queen of the dictionary? Sir Lucius. Who is Fact? Captain Jack absolute servant who said the following lines: all women become like their mothers, that is their tragedy. No man does, that's his. Algernon, through whose past are the secret of Jack's birth and parentage revealed, Miss Prisms. Jack makes up a story about his brother Ernest Divines. Where is the story based? Paris, who is Violet, sister of Octavius, whom does an address as Granny. Rubach Ramsden, who is an in love with Stracker. To which country does the chorus in Murder the Cathedral urge Thomas Archbishop to sail? France, it's not sure. Who calls himself a rough, straightforward Englishman? William D. Taxi, the third tempter, whose life is referred to as living in the party livings chorus. Murder in the Cathedral or the Omen of Cathedrals. Which character represents things peace in Waiting for Godot? Lucky. Pozo says that storms my Cap and Peterson. What is Cap and Peterson? Is a brand of pipe made in Dublin. What is Connemara? Any of a braid of a hard-rocked points developed in Ireland or a mountain region of Ireland. What does the phrase Memoria Patriotum's Bonario means? The past is always well remembered. Who is Nigger in Look Back in Anger? Alison Potter's brother. Who is Cliff Lewis, old friend of Jimmy Potter? And what are the bear and squirrel? It's a game. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share my videos to get the list of the papers and as soon as possible. So that's all for today. Thank you and good night.